Hi, I'm Will Dorner, a supervisory economist at the Federal Housing Finance Agency. The House Price Index report and data for the second quarter of 2022 have been released. I'd like to share a few key trends. House price gains remain high. Nationally, the U.S. market saw 17.7% appreciation from the year prior and 4% over the quarter. It's not a surprise that house prices have been rising rapidly over the last several years with the COVID-19 pandemic. We've experienced 7 consecutive quarters of double-digit annual growth and 42 consecutive quarters of positive annual appreciation all the way back to 2012. Turning to the map, annual house prices rose in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. The top 5 states were Florida, Arizona, North Carolina, Montana, and Tennessee. If we overlook Washington, D.C., which had a 5.6% increase, even the slowest appreciating state, North Dakota, had double-digit growth over the last year. We don't often point out the monthly numbers in the quarterly video series, but an interesting shift has emerged. Deceleration, or slower positive growth, has begun to appear. When we compare back to the peak monthly appreciations in 2022, all of the census divisions, the entire country, recorded a slower monthly pace this June. 5 of those 9 divisions had negative growth. And while some of these numbers may revise with more data, the change of pace is noteworthy. The last time we had more than 5 divisions record a negative monthly gain was in May 2020, when COVID-19 caused a severe disruption. But before that point, we'd have to go all the way back to January 2012, prior to when house prices began their steady ascent. This subsiding price growth is consistent with other recent housing reports. Permits and sales are starting to soften their pace. Supply is picking back up. Real estate listing prices are revising downward more frequently, and it's finally taking longer to sell a home than it did in the same time in 2021. To be clear though, these are relatively new market adjustments, and we will continue to monitor economic conditions as we move forward. To find more information, you can read the full report, download data, and interact with our online tools by visiting fhfa.gov/HPI. The FHFA House Price Index quarterly video series will return in November with data through the third quarter of 2022. For FHFA, I'm Will Dorner. Thanks for watching.